October 4, 1977, Atal Bihari Vajpayee made history by delivering a speech in Hindi at the United Nations General Assembly, marking the first time India's official language was used at this global forum. As foreign minister in the Janata Party government led by Morarji Desai, Vajpayee chose to address global leaders in Hindi, a move that was met with widespread applause. In his speech, he addressed critical issues such as nuclear disarmament and terrorism, making the moment significant not only for its content but also for the prominence it gave to Hindi on the international stage. Baba Harbhajan Singh, a brave Indian Army soldier, died on October 4, 1968 at the age of 22. He was born in Punjab, Pakistan and joined the Punjab Regiment of the Indian Army in 1966. While stationed in East Sikkim, Harbhajan Singh tragically slipped near Nathula Pass while leading a convoy on mules, falling into a valley where his body was swept away by the water. Remarkably, a fellow soldier dreamt of Harbhajan Singh revealing the location of his body, which was later found and cremated with full state honors. Revered as the hero of Nathula, he became known as Baba Harbhajan Singh. A temple was built in his honor, and it is believed that even after his death, he continues to protect the border, alerting Indian soldiers of any negligence or Chinese activities through dreams. Acharya Ramchandra Shukla, born on October 4, 1884 in Basti, Uttar Pradesh, was a renowned critic, essayist and historian of Hindi literature. Known as the father of Hindi criticism, he developed the principles of literary criticism and systematically presented the history of Hindi literature. With a deep knowledge of English, Sanskrit and Hindi, Shukla initially drew inspiration from Bengali and English literature before focusing on Hindi. In 1904, he joined Banaras Hindu University, marking the beginning of his literary career. He passed away on February 2, 1941, but his contributions remain a guiding light for students and scholars of Hindi literature, with this approach to criticism still considered exemplary. On October 4, 1984, Italy, Poland and Portugal adopted the Gregorian calendar, which was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII in 1582 to correct the inaccuracies of the Julian calendar. The Julian calendar, with a year length of 365.25 days, was slightly longer than the actual solar year of 365.2425 days, causing a one-day discrepancy every 128 years. The Gregorian calendar resolved this by omitting 10 days and adjusting leap year rules. Only century years divisible by 400 would be considered leap years. By adopting the Gregorian calendar, these countries aligned with international standards, facilitating global communication and trade. The change also impacted the dates of cultural and religious festivals, with major events now celebrated according to the Gregorian calendar. On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite into space. Its primary purpose was to study the behavior of artificial satellites in Earth's orbit and to test signal transmission around the planet. Weighing around 83.6 kilograms and measuring 58 centimeters in diameter, Sputnik 1 featured 4 long antennae for sending radio signals to Earth. It completed an orbit every 96 minutes. The successful launch, known as the Sputnik shock, shocked the world and underscored the Soviet Union's leadership in space exploration, promoting other countries, including the United States, to accelerate their own space programs. World Animal Day is celebrated annually on October 4 to raise awareness about the rights, well-being and protection of all animals. The primary aim of this day is to change people's attitudes towards animals and encourage concrete actions for their welfare. It emphasizes kindness, the rights of animals, and the need to provide them with a safe and healthy environment. World Animal Day was first established in 1931 during an environmental conference in Florence, Italy, where the idea was proposed to raise awareness about endangered species and the challenges faced by the animals.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.